Hello loves, welcome to Ink on Paper. Today we are going to do something a little different than the plan with me. I have a small haul that I would like to share with you, and plus we have a box from Cloth and Paper. So if you're interested to see what I got, stay tuned. Alright everyone, we're going to start with this little bitty haul here. So we're going to go through this. So the first thing I have is from Micheal's, and we have this beautiful washi tape. Isn't that pretty? It's a total to 5 to 10 yards, and it's about 5 washi tapes in here. And we have the 1 inch and the 1/4 inch washi tape. They are the neutral kind of colors. We have some gray, a gold, very light powder blue, and we have a wine color and a smaller gray color. So this washi I got from Micheal's. It was $5.99, and like I said, it's from Recollections. So I really liked it. It's very pretty. As you can see, the colors in here. Oh, this isn't a tape dispenser. Isn't this interesting? What a surprise. This is very nice. I did not expect that, and it didn't say anything on here about a dispenser. So this is very nice surprise indeed. As you can see, there's the little teeth here where you can run the tape through this slot here, and it comes across, and you can just peel it off, and it sits pretty nicely. So I am very surprised and very pleased. And so you can really see the colors here. They are very pretty. They'll have a little shimmer to it. I like that. So yeah, what a great surprise. I'm very excited to use those. And then we have some metal discs. We have the, what size is this? This is the 11-piece metal disc. Look like a 1.5 or 1 1/4 inch, your extended disc. The reason I purchased these is because the holidays is coming up, and I just have the 1 inch discs on my planner now, and I knew once I inserted my holiday planner that it was going to expand past that 1 inch disc. So I went and purchased a 1.5 inch. These are my first time getting a disc with the little hearts in the center. So I am loving this. It is metal and it's silver. So yes, this was from Micheal's, and they were $17.99. I believe they were on sale. Some of these things that I purchased a few weeks ago, and I wanted to gather up enough items so I can have a haul with you guys. There are 11 pieces in here. So the classic size planner only has 9 discs. So I will have 2 extra discs left over. So these are from Dollar Tree. Now I love using these on my planner when there's a large area that I want to cover. And I normally cut these in half. They're shipping labels. They're pretty large. So I love using these for that purpose, because it saves my whiteout or my liquid paper. But see, you can cut these down to size and cover your lines in large areas, especially in that dashboard where they have a certain area that they don't particularly care for, if it's colored or what have you. This will cover it nicely once you cut it down to size. So I love these. Like I said, these came from Dollar Tree, and I was shocked when I seen them. I don't know why. Dollar Tree always surprise me when they get things. So there's 18 sheets in here, and I got 2 packs, and they're 4x6 in size. This I purchased on Amazon. I'm getting ready for the holidays, and so I thought it would be great to get these holidays sticker books. They were $19.99. This is the winter one, 514 pieces, and you can see on the back the collection of stickers that they have. So I'm going to flip through this quickly so you can get a good look. So they have your Christmas colors and nice little characters and packages. Oh, those are nice. The silver snowflakes and words and quotes is very nice. That's nice. Oh, that is really, really pretty. Look at that. Isn't that gorgeous? It's gorgeous. Holly leaves and berries. And then they have some more quotes, some more labels, more boxes. Oh, look at this. It's so cute with this sweater. And more boxes. This is cute. So yeah, they have, oh, they even have the big ones here, the big square boxes for the, oh, look at that. Isn't that adorable? Cute. Now, this is not their newest one. I don't know if they're coming out with a new book, but these two are the latest books that they have, I think. Like I said, this was on Amazon, and I wanted to buy, oh, this, look at this. 9 days till Christmas. Oh, look at this. It goes all the way to 12. Isn't that pretty? Most of you probably got these stickers. That's pretty too. This sticker book. But I like it. Very nice. And then we have the Merry and Bright. This was the winter. And this one is the Merry and Bright. And it's 606 pieces. And then this is some of the stickers on the back. So I'll flip through this quickly. Okay, these are a little bit more brighter Christmas colors than the other book. And I think it's more of your list boxes and things of that nature. We'll see if they have the character stickers like the other ones did. They have the quotes. Look at chocolate. And, oh, they do. They have the Santa here. And it's some nice full boxes. And I like the half boxes. They got double boxes here for the, oh, look at that farmhouse style. That is so cute. And the little dogs and cats. Ice skating. These are really, really nice. Like I said, these are the latest books that I've seen. I don't know if they're coming out with another Christmas sticker book, but I will be looking out for that because I will be grabbing it. Okay, so the next stickers. The next item that we have, we purchased these online from Amazon. It was $6.99. These are the Carpe Diem clear label stickers. And these are, you know, the little small stickers that you can place on your planner. I believe there's 432 stickers on here. And these are very clear. These two stickers here have your to-dos, projects, importance, priority information, things of that nature. So they are the same stickers, those two. And then you have two more that's more of your home and fitness stickers. So they have your pets, purchases, party time, jot it down, you go girl, vacation, things of that nature. So you have two of the same of those. So 4 sheets of stickers for $6.99. Okay, so next we have is Rachel Babble. I purchased these from Etsy. These are her deluxe kit dots, and basically I needed some more black dots, and I like these because they are the right size. When you take one off, they're not too big and they're not too small, as you can see there. So they're a decent size. Actually, I would love to have something smaller than that, but that's a decent size. This is from Rachel Babble on Etsy. Each of these sheets, I have 4 sheets in here for the kit. We have the circles, and then we have the 3 heart checklist, which is the mini, and then we have the full heart checklist, which is the 6 hearts, and then we have the sampler kit of each of these that I just showed you. Now, each of these, if you want to purchase these separately, they're $3.25 a sheet. I'm not sure if she's still offering the deluxe kit. I tried to find it on Etsy and I couldn't locate it online. Now, this is from openspacedesigns.com. I love clear stamps. I love stamping my planner with months and the days in different lettering. These are gorgeous. I love these lettering on here. This is the clear stamp calligraphy month from OpenSpaceDesigns.com. This one is $18.99 and you get all 12 months in the pack. And I love these. I just love that font. And isn't that pretty? Can you picture that on a planner? Gorgeous. And here is the same, which is the weekdays and numbers. And from the same company. And these were $14.99. And these have that same font. So we have the month, we have the numbers, and we have the days of the week. So I'm very happy with those. Now we come to the crown of the party, and that's this cloth and paper. I'm so excited, so excited to get into here. So we're going to go ahead and open this up. And see what's in here. I love cloth and paper, and I love Jane Agenda. Both of those are my favorite planner accessories company. I just love both of them. So we're going to go ahead and open this up so it's nice. This is a subscription box. I have been a part of her subscription box for about half a year, I believe it is. And I just love the things that she offers because they're in that neutral palette. So inside here we have mind mapping desk pad, dashboards, inserts, circle sticky note set, graph sticky note set, mini sticker set, and journaling cards. So they show the picture of each of those in here. So we're going to go ahead and dig in. So these are the dot stickers in that mustard tan kind of color. They're mini shape sticker set. And it's a set of 6 with a total of 50 stickers. Then we have the graph sticky note. Look at that. This would be great. This is in the matte 50 sheets, 3 by 3 inches. So this is a nice journaling card. And then you have another card with the October month on it. Here is the circle, graph, dot, grid, and line paper circle, 25 sheets each, circle sticky notes. Isn't that nice? You have the grid, the dot grid, and the line. Let's give you a variety. That is pretty nice. Okay, this is the half page monthly. So you have your month up top, and then you have your reminders and your priorities down at the bottom. So this is nice. How many you get of these? Half page monthly. It doesn't say how many sheets, but it looks like it might be about 10 or 15 sheets. And then this is the space dashboard. Isn't that pretty? So this is a dashboard. That is pretty. I love those circles. And this is 1 minute habits dashboard. Now that's interesting. Get out of bed right away. Set daily intentions. Take deep breaths. Drink water. Eat more greens. USPF every day. Fix your posture. Express gratitude. Tidy up before bed. Start really listening to others. Take breaths to move your body. Check your bank account. Huh. And one thing I say about cloth and paper, their dashboards are very inspirational and very pretty. Although they only have the graph on one side, I wish they had the same graph on the other side, but they are so thoughtful, so pretty. 2021 horizontal weekly October. We have the big old O for October. And then we go into the week of October 4th through the 10th. And this is the horizontal. So you have your weeks, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. On the left-hand side, Saturday and Sunday at the very top. Your priorities box, your memo, your next week, and the October month in a glance. Very, very nice. Love that it has the grid on one side of the sheet for your weeks. Very nice. And each of the week is the same. I like that. So yes, love it. And this one is the mental download insert. Now, what is this all about? Oh, look at that. So you have your mental download. So it's like a brain dump. So you have your brain dump for general here. You have your notes. You have ideas 1, 2, and 3. And then you have your visual, just in case you want to draw your idea. Oh, this is really, really nice. I like this. This is so nice. The visual is in dot grid, and you have the date up top. And this big old pad here is mind mapping. And basically it's another brain dump thing, actually. The mind mapping desk pad. Take your thoughts from scattered to structured with the help of our mind mapping desk pad. Place your focus in the central circle. Then use the surrounding dot grid space to allow your thoughts to flow organically. Jot down next steps in the notes column and synthesize your thoughts in the reflection section. So yes, this is a whole new way of brain dumping. Okay guys, that's it for me. I hope you enjoyed the haul and maybe see some things that you would like to try out. I'm so excited to try these out, especially the subscription box from Cloth and Paper and my Christmas stickers for a happy planner. I will see you guys on the next video. Until then, be blessed, be happy, and be safe. See you, my friends. These items will be listed in the description box below just in case you are interested.